How to design banners for your Shopify store using Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design banners for your Shopify store using Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify and Canva, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores without the need for advanced technical skills. In which Shopify also provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates that make it easy to design professional-looking websites. It also supports a product listings, inventory management, secure payment processing, and shipping integration, allowing merchants to handle all aspects online selling. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the Start for Free button on the top right to start logging in. After that, you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify, where it will show you the setup guide to set up your own online store, to add a product, design your store, and many more. And now by clicking this online store, we can start customizing to add a banner in here. All you need to do is simply click the customize button in here on your online store. By clicking this, you'll automatically be directed on your online store, where it will show you the editing tools that you can also navigate on the left side panel in here. And now we have here this image banner. You can start clicking on it, and it will show us that we can click or select the image from it. And using Canva, just simply open your canva.com. You can go to your template section to see a variety of banners template in here. You can go to the search bar, or at this point, you could also look for a specific kind of sizes. You can click the plus button and choose here custom size below here on the left side panel to do the custom size. And I'm suggesting to use this pixel units 1800 to 1000 as the width of height of units in here, and click create new design button. By doing so, you will automatically be directed on this page, and from here you can also start creating your own banner. And I'm just going to simply go on the left side panel and click the design section, and just go to the search bar and search, for example, banner. Then you can start seeing scrolling here to see a specific kind of banner. You can click on it. If you're also a medicine for banner, but I'm going to choose the product option or the product result. By doing so, it will show us in here a variety of product banner. For example, you can choose here for skincare, a headphone, like this one for a perfume. It will show us in here what it looks like. You could also start customizing it. However, at this point, I'm not going to use this one. Rather, I'm just going to choose other kind of design that I can find under the design section. You could also choose here this one, for example. I'm going to choose is with a bowling. As you can see, we have here red and white style as a background of it. And I'm just going to customize this one instead of choosing another templates at this point. Now, in order to start customizing it, you could also proceed by navigating or clicking any context or elements, image, and many more in here. You can start clicking or double tap or click using your mouse this context, for example. And let's say I'm going to start making a banner for shoes. I'm going to enter here, kick your style. And also I'm going to choose the kind of font style on the top panel and the left side panel to choose from in here, which is, for example, this one. Make it bold if you want to. And at this point, you could also choose the element section to find the products that you want to start making a banner with. I'm going to choose Nike red shoes, and you can also go to this photo section and click on it. And by clicking on it, you can use the background remover if you want to, but at this point, I'm just going to also first start deleting some of the context on the left side panel here. Now after that, you can now click the image in here to choose to resize it by dragging on the corner of it, and by clicking the background remover on the top panel of it. But make sure you also need to have an upgrade account or premium account in order to use this kind of feature. You could also click the edit button to add another kind of features, or I'm going to choose to add a shadow and click outline, and make the outline color as white in here to make it look more professional in here. And you can even adjust the size of the white outline. I'm going to resize it in here to make it look at this point like this one. You could also add more context that showcase to your banner, for example, on sale, or even add any other kind of logo of Nike, for example, in here. You can be more creative using the element section on the left side panel to choose from a graphics, design, a sticker, and many more. And I'm going to choose the Nike logo, which is this word Nike, which is an spelling for Nike. And I can start rearranging the brand Nike below the shoes. So as you can see, you can basically start designing your own banner in here using the element section, the editing tools that you can find in here on Canva, which is basically so easy to navigate. But let's say we're going to add, instead of this on sale now context, we can start making or choosing any other elements such as a sticker that will make our own banner more eye-catching. And also, for example, I'm going to add here a tag or price tag. You can use here some of the other graphic design if you want to, such as this best price to input on the top right in here. But at this point, I'm deciding to use the 60% off sticker or graphic design in here. Now, as you can see, you can now start saving by clicking the share button on the top right corner if you're not done. And by doing so, just click the download button and choose again the file type and click the download once again. And once start downloading it, the next thing that you need to do is to go back to this Shopify and simply select the images by clicking the select button under the image folder section. You can choose to upload images from your computer files that we just downloaded from Canva. And after that, just simply select here this image and click done button to proceed. And once done, it will now show you what it looks like. But as you can see, it seems like it is a bit cut out, which is the context of 60%. Or you could also start looking for any other kind of elements or add more image in here if you want to. You can change the height also, add an animation content, change the position a bit, the alignment, the color scheme, mobile layout, and many more. Or alternatively, you could also start designing new kind of banner. But at this point, I'm just going to choose here under the design, and I'm going to choose this one also, which is also about the shoes that we're selling. By clicking on it, from here you can start customizing this one, or you'd also start saving it by clicking the share button on the top right once you're done customizing at your own preferences. And now, by start downloading it, we can simply upload it directly in here. Then once done, you should be able to see the result, which is this new arrivals and the shoes in here. Then click the save button on the top right to save the changes. So basically, this banner in Shopify serve as a prominent visual element used to capture attention and communicate key messages on store homepage and other pages. And overall, that is just basically how you can start designing banners for your Shopify store using Canva. Thank you.